Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to make crawling or moving text in CapCut Mobile. First, open CapCut on your phone. Once CapCut is open, you'll be on the main editing screen where you can start a new project. Now tap on New Video. This will open your phone's gallery, where you can choose the video you want to edit. Select the video you want to use and then tap on it to add it to your project. Your selected video will now appear on the editing timeline. Next, look at the editing options and tap on Text. From the text menu, select Add Text to create a new text layer on your video. Now enter the text you want to display. You can type the exact words or sentence you want to appear as the moving text. Once you have entered your text, select the font you want to use. Choose a font that fits the style of your video and makes the text easy to read. After selecting the font, choose the style for your text. You can use the available style options to adjust how the text looks on the video. Once you are happy with the text, adjust its position on the video. Place it where you want the moving text to appear, then drag the text layer along the timeline so it matches the part of the video where you want the text to be displayed. Now tap on the keyframe option. This allows you to set points for the text movement. You can also add more text if you need additional words or lines in your video. After adding the text, check the video preview to see how everything looks. If the movement needs more adjustment, you can add additional keyframes and check the result again. Keep previewing the video and adjusting the keyframes until the text moves the way you want. And that's how you can create crawling or moving text in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial was useful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.